YouTube channel. I'm Balenesh from Trilingual Have YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to my YouTube channel because when I check my YouTube channel, I saw my subscribes still very low. Friend, why don't you subscribe my YouTube channel? Today I reminded you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friends. It is helping me a lot and easy for you, okay? Thank you so much. I love you so much. Let us start the lesson. Today I will teach you greetings in Chinese Mandarin and Ethiopian Amharic by using simple English expression, okay? Okay, let us start. The first greetings is hi or hello. It is informal greetings in English. When we say hi in Chinese language, ni hao, ni hao. Repeat, okay? Ni hao. The response is ni hao. It is the same. Ni hao. When we say hello or hi in Amharic language, salam. 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 The response is the same. It is salam. Salam. Okay. The second one is how are you? When we say how are you in Chinese language, ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Repeat, okay? Ni hao ma. Ni means you. Hao means good. Ma means it used question word. Ni hao ma. The response of this one is wo han hao Nina. Wo han hao Nina. Wo means I. How means good. Han means very. Nina means how about you. Wo han hao Nina means I'm very good. How about you? Okay. When we say how are you in Amharic language, it is different female, male, and a group of people, and also older peoples. For female, we use endet nash. Endet nash. For male, we use endet nah. Endet nah. For a group of people, we use endet nachu. Endet nachu. Endet nachu. For elder peoples, we use most of the time we use endet nawat. Endet nawat. The response of these greetings is dahna nañ. Most of the time, all of them use dahna nañ. Dahna nañ. Okay. The third one is good morning. When we say good morning in Chinese, zhou shan hao. Zhou shan hao. Zhou shan hao. The response is, it is the same. Zhou shan hao. Zhou shan hao. Zhou shan hao. When we say good morning in Amharic, it is different. Female, male, and a group of people. For female, we use endet adarsh. Endet adarsh. Endet adarsh. For male, we use endet adark. እንዴት አደርክ? For a group of people we use እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት አደራችሁ? The response of this greeting is ደህና ነኝ። ደህና ነኝ። ደህና ነኝ። Okay. The fourth one is good evening. Good evening. When we say good evening in Chinese, wan shan hao, wan shan hao, wan shan hao. The response is it is the same, wan shan hao, wan shan hao, wan shan hao. When we say good evening in Amharic language, it is different based on gender, female, male, and a group of people. When we say female, እንዴት አመሸሽ? እንዴት አመሸሽ? እንዴት አመሸሽ? When we say male, እንዴት አመሸህ? እንዴት አመሸህ? እንዴት አመሸህ? We use for a group of people እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? The response of these greetings it is the same, ደህና ነኝ። ደህና ነኝ። ደህና ነኝ። Okay. For the fifth one, goodbye. When we say goodbye in Chinese language, zai jian, zai jian, zai jian. The response is the same, zai jian, zai jian, zai jian. When we say goodbye in Amharic language, ደህና ሁኑ። ደህና ሁኑ። ደህና ሁኑ። The response of these greetings is it is the same as the question, ደህና ሁኑ። ደህና ሁኑ። Okay, great job. This all about today's lesson. Keep practice every day. Repeat after me slowly and clearly to improve your pronunciation. And don't forget like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay? And also, if you want me to make a new lesson or topic, please write in the comment section below. I'll read your comment and create video for you. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you so much. See you the next video. Bye bye.